Want to learn VBScript? Here are some weird facts to get you started. VBScript was first released in 1996, the same year the first cloned sheep, Dolly, was born. The VB in VBScript stands for Visual Basic, but VBScript is actually more closely related to JavaScript than Visual Basic. VBScript is still used in many Windows systems today, even though Microsoft announced it was dead in 2008. The creator of VBScript, Alan Cooper, is also known for inventing the fat cow icon you see when your computer freezes. VBScript is still used in some ATMs, so the next time you withdraw cash, you might be using VBScript without realizing it. Despite being dead, VBScript has a thriving community, with new scripts and tutorials still being published today. So, want to learn VBScript? Start with online tutorials, coding communities, and practice building projects. With persistence and patience, you'll be scripting like a pro in no time.